Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue on the Travel with Sue Malaysia series. Today's video takes us on a pleasant train ride from Penang to Kuala Lumpur on the KTM's electric train service, also known as ETS, which is an intercity rail passenger service in Malaysia that stops at major cities including Taiping, Kuala Kangsar and Rawang. It is my first time after a long time taking a train from Penang to Kuala Lumpur. I was impressed by the comfort, convenience and cleanliness on board the ETS. This train service offers commuters another convenient alternative option, especially for those who do not wish to drive to Kuala Lumpur. This ETS service was recommended by a friend who is a frequent user, commenting that the traffic on the highway is getting congested and he prefers to take the train for comfort. I was also impressed that the train leaves on time and arrives on time. There is also a waiting and lobby area, and passengers will head to the station for boarding when the announcement is made. Passengers will board the train at Butterworth Railway Station, which is located at 12000 Butterworth. The train station is linked with covered pedestrian walkways to the Penang Central and the Sultan Abdul Hamid Ferry Terminal. The Penang Central, located in Butterworth, serves as the terminal for both public and intercity buses, and this hub will eventually connect all bus, rail and sea transportation services. One can also be dropped off by taxi or Grab services right at the doorstep of the train station. I actually drove from Penang Island and parked my car at the Penang Central parking space for a few days before boarding the train. On the train, one can purchase drinks or food in the cafe. Tickets can be booked online at etsticketOnline.com, etsticketOnline.com, and a word of advice is to book the tickets ahead, as the ETS route is the most popular train route. In Kuala Lumpur, passengers can choose to either get off at Kuala Lumpur Central or the Kuala Lumpur Old Railway Station, which are just about 5 minutes from each other. Happy travelling on board ETS. I hope this video gives you a little information, and thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos on travel and cooking. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.
Pintu akan dibuka. Sila awasi langkah anda.